Hi, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up Venmo without a phone number. Let me tell you first, of course, you will not be able to set up a Venmo without a phone number and specifically without like a US phone number. But we can do some turnarounds like use a phone number that is not yours, but keep in mind that it is very, very, very risky. So what you'll need to do is open a new, of course, go first of all to venmo.com and simply click on Get Venmo. Here, open a new tab, go and type free or receive you receive like I don't know, a code from US like a number or something like that, and something like that. And here, of course, I'm just going to choose personal. Get started. Here, I'll have to enter a phone number. Now, I'll have to choose like a number here. Click on Open. So, as example, here's this number. Click in here to do it. Paste this right here. Click on Send Code. Review it and try later. So, okay, I'll have just to remove the one. I guess it should be good to go. No, or maybe I'll have to remove this. You just type it normal way. So last one. Okay, so yeah, we'll not add this. I guess it's gonna be like this. So 628, 628, and then the four numbers, which is 9041. So send code. And as you can see here, you'll have to wait for the message until it's came. You will have to keep updating messages until you receive that number. Keep in mind that if you didn't receive it, you have nothing to do. You'll have to go and try another number. Or if you have a better website, or maybe there are some paid apps that you can get a phone number with it that is not yours, just to receive some messages. And simply enter the message here, enter your email address, confirm it as well with the code that they sent you, and you will be able to set up a Venmo account without a phone number that is not yours. As I said, the turnaround, I said in the beginning, you cannot do it without a phone number. So yeah, that's going to be basically it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.